Hey guys, welcome back to Tutti Frutti Funny English vlog. Guys, today I found a cute kittens with their mom. आप देख सकते हैं कि कितने सुंदर बच्चे हैं। मुझे रास्ते में मिले थे तो आई ब्रॉट सम मिल्क फॉर देम। मैं घर से मिल्क लाया हूँ उनके लिए। देखिए how cute they are. Oh my god, you can see. Here it is, here it is. दूध पियो, टेक अ मिल्क। एक वहाँ पे भी है, देखो सेम कलर, इट्स लाइक ऑरेंज कलर। Guys, I'm requesting you all that if you ever find any such stray animals like cats, dogs, whichever you find anywhere, please give them something to eat if you can. If you have possibility to give them something to eat, please give them. Guys, I'm sure you'll definitely feel happy after giving them something to eat, and God always will help you. So always help others. God always help you.